So I had spent some time thinking, how am I going to put these braces up? You can't stand on the ground to hold them. Well, you can hold them there, but you have to pre-drill. You know, you want to pre-drill in through the aluminum. You have to get up on the ladder to get the top one in. You know, when I first thought about doing this, the issue of this was an issue, which I've done a video on that. So we have the screw heads now, so we're pushing against them. And how am I going to hold them there and do this at the same time? And do I ask a friend to come over, my son? So I was thinking about it more and more, and I thought, well, why can't I just brace it up there? And then I can do it alone. I'll have, you know, I don't have to have anybody else, and I'm not in a rush to like screw it in. I can, you know, make sure everything's where I want it and then do it. And it turns out the brace works perfect. Just one end's on the ground, the other end's leaning against the brace, the support. And as long as that weight is on there, it holds it. I thought about putting a nail in here, putting some sides on it, but it turns out I just don't need it. Now this one's not screwed in at all yet. No screws, it's just sitting there. So I'm going to gently make sure I get the bottom where it is, or I could start at the top, either one, get a screw in, then come down. Main thing is I don't bump my support, I don't move that dramatically, just, you know, a little bit of movement if I need to. And once I get a screw in each one, then I can twist it a little bit if I need to. Okay, so it's going really well. I'm going to get the rest of these on. I think I'm going to run out. I think I have I'm one short. So tonight or tomorrow morning I'll make some more. Might as well make a few because this is what's going to be on the other side of the house too. So I could make a bunch of them. Okay, let's get them on. Then I want to get the rest of the roof boards on. So it's exciting. It's coming together.